Hi everyone, we're expecting a storm today, so I thought I'd go ahead and use the time indoors to make a banana pudding for you today. The ingredients that we need for the banana pudding are 4 cups milk, 2 packages of 3.5 ounce instant banana pudding, or you can use instant vanilla pudding, or you can use one of each. I'm going to be using the banana cream pudding today. 1 8-ounce package cream cheese, softened. 1/3 cup sugar. 4 ounces of thawed Cool Whip. This is 8 ounces, so I'll be using half of that. 4 bananas. You want them ripe, but not too ripe. And 1 12-ounce box of vanilla wafers. We are going to be using Maria's cookies today, as the other day when I made the Mexican lemon Carlotas, I bought too many cookies. So I figured these are vanilla cookies, these will work. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do in a big bowl is mix the pudding and the milk together according to package directions. And according to the directions is you take 1 package of your pudding to 2 cups of milk. And since we're going to be using 2 packages of pudding, we'll be using 4 cups of milk. And give it a stir until it is thoroughly mixed. Then in a smaller bowl, we're going to dump our 8 ounces of cream cheese. It is softened. And our 1/3 cup sugar. And we'll want to cream those together. And it is all creamed together. And then you want to dump in the cream cheese into the pudding. And then you want to go ahead and mix it. And there it is, all mixed. So the next thing we'll do is put in the 4 ounces of the Cool Whip. Okay, so I put in the half a container of the Cool Whip and I'm just folding it in. And it is all mixed in. So next we're going to go ahead and layer 1/2 of the cookies. And then we're going to put 1/2 of the bananas. And then you want to put 1/2 of the pudding mix over the bananas and the cookies. And then we'll smooth it out. And then we're going to go ahead and put the next layer of cookies. And the next layer of bananas. And then we put the rest of the pudding mix on top. And then you want to smooth that out as well. So by using Maria's cookies, it'll be a different amount than using vanilla wafers. And it doesn't call for it in the recipe, but I decided I wanted to garnish it with cookies and more bananas on top. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and stick it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to chill. Alright, so it's been a little over 2 hours and we'll go ahead and get this dish up and my lucky husband gets to try it out. Okay, dear husband, go ahead and try it.
Now I know how a crash test dummy feels. Oh, that's good.
Do you like the cookies better?
You know, I'm going to be tempted to say it may be better with these cookies than with the vanilla wafers. It's really close.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.